battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da.
Nice and quiet. Yeah, noise.
You can see it moving as well.
That's it.
Fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da.
Normal kind of aiming finish.
That's it, yeah, just try and get nice and smooth, no high spots.
Yeah.
So the bush can just slide on it. You got the bushes there nice and even on both sides.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da da da.
That's just cleaned up by doing it.
Just
brush
cleaned,
down.
yeah, just give it a wire wheel down and we're good to go again. ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. There, so that is set in the middle, so it's ready for the aligners to adjust it.
Can't let go of the one thing I wanted more.
That's the whole vehicle, front axle, back axle. Oversimplified.
So the rear axles, what I've had the camber bushes changed this morning.
Right,
so.
that will explain a lot. Okay. Because at the present moment, 60 minutes to a degree, like the 60 minutes in an hour.
Yeah.
The fast ride set is 1.5 degrees negative, which would be 130.
Right, okay.
So we're a touch up on the driver's side and a touch down on the passenger side. So the back end is just leaning slightly off to the right. Second figure there is the rear toe direction forward, 0 being dead straight ahead.
Yeah.
Negative pointing out, positive pointing in. We've got passenger wheel pointing in, driver's side pointing out. Exaggerated view from above.
Right, okay, yeah.
As I say, exaggerated.
Yeah.
The whole back end is trying to push off to the right. So if you gave this a boot full at present moment, the back end will push off to the
That
right.
way.
Push the back end off to the right, pendulum the front end left, so you have to catch the back end and drive.
Right.
We're just a little bit over on the camber, front camber. Again, 130 is the ideal. 1.5 degrees. We're just on 2 degrees that side and just under 2 degrees on that side.
Right, okay.
So the front end is sitting a little excessive. Good on grip,
Yeah.
but it's going to be excessive on wear. I mean, how are you using the car? Is it a daily?
Yeah, it's daily.
Okay, it might be a little much in that on the car. If it was a second car used periodically, but not a weekend toy,
Yeah.
that you probably is going to give us a little bit extra in the tyre wear. So what we need to do is basically just back that off just a touch and balance.
Straighten up off it.
But everything else, the bits that we can't adjust, the caster, which is basically
Yeah.
a good balance between
Yeah.
the two. And there's only 15 minutes difference between the two.
Because caster is how the wheel tips over when you turn in, isn't it?
I mean, oversimplified, if you go around the corner on a push bike, just imagine what the wheel does on the corner on the push bike.
Right.
The more you lean, the more shorter you can take the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. If you try to stay upright going around the corner, you take a long arc and cue it to turn around. If you can lean into the corner, you can shorten the corner. And as long as you've got a balance between the two, the caster is not irrelevant, but sort of like, unless it's massively high or massively low. As long as you've got a balance, because you want the same amount of force going into a corner as pulling you out. We use, although we've changed all the rest of the spec for fast road, the caster, because it is fixed, unless you fit a lifter kit or something like that, you use the manufacturer's spec.
Yeah.
And the perfect caster is 3 degrees 55 minutes, 5 minutes short of 4 degrees.
Right, okay.
Now bear in mind, we're looking at, forgive the insult, 14 years old, been modified,
Exactly.
done miles, probably been driven by like Miss Daisy.
At times and the other way,
Yeah, that's right. Things are going to be...
Exactly,
So that is pretty
Yeah.
much bang on.